Here's I will show you how to show refresh rate in Samsung Galaxy A16 device. Go to your settings. In settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here we have to enable developer option first of all. To enable developer option, tap on About Phone. Now scroll down and tap on Software Information. Here you will find your build number. So tap on build number for 7 times to enable developer options. Now verify your phone lock. And here we can see the developer mode has been enabled. Now all you have to need to go to your settings once more and scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on developer options. In here, tap on the search icon and search for refresh. And here, under developer options, here you will find show refresh rate. Tap on the settings. And here we can see the option show refresh rate. Now to see your refresh rate, just toggle the switch on. And then at the top left corner of your screen, here you will find your current display refresh rate. So my phone refresh rate is 90. Now to change your phone refresh rate, you can go to settings, then select display and tap on high smoothness. And here you can go ahead and change your phone refresh rate just like so. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.